HobbyKidsTV.
Hey Hobby Kids, I'm Tinkerbell. I'm gonna go visit my old pal Batman. Hey Batman, I was in the neighborhood flying by in the jungle. I saw your bat cave. Thought I'd come say hi.
Well, if I lose anything, I'll make sure to let you know.
Well, I was actually wondering if you wanted to come flying with me to find some lost things.
Well, Tink, I can't fly.
But you have a cape.
That's just for show. I'm Batman.
I know what'll fix you right up. A little bit of pixie dust. Play-Doh Pixie dust.
Achoo!
Okay, did it work?
I still can't fly.
Just think happy thoughts.
The only thing that makes me happy is sweet justice.
Whatever works for you, Batman.
Whoa, I feel it working. My sweet thoughts are working.
You can fly.
I think I can fly. I can fly.
Keep thinking those happy thoughts. Whee!
Hey, look! I can see my bat cave from up here.
As always, thanks for watching HobbyKidsTV. We'll see you on the next video. Bye, Hobby Kids!